Hi, my name is Braylon, and these are the things I wish I knew before attending McNeese, Part 3. One of the first things I was told to know is that affordability does not mean low quality. Many people get so caught up on McNeese's affordable and don't go there altogether because they're afraid of what they're going to experience. But I can firsthand tell you that it's going to be great. Many of the degree paths here on campus offer hands-on work that's in the curriculum. So if you're nursing, you're going to go into the hospital. If you're education, you're going to be in that classroom. And then when you're going to apply for the job, you can let your employer know, I have experience in that from McNeese. Now the other thing I wish I would have known is that you should definitely join groups catered to your major. At McNeese, pretty much every degree path has a group. Whether you're theater, education, graphic design, there's something for everybody. They're going to equip you and prepare you to be in the field that you want to be in, and you're going to soar because of that. And the final thing I would say is that it's okay to move at your own pace. A big piece of advice is you should not force yourself to get out of college the same time as your friends do. Their path may be completely different than yours, and you rushed it trying to get to them, and then you're not truly prepared. Since I've changed my major, I may graduate a little later than some of my friends, and they'll have to leave before me. But that doesn't mean I should force myself to go faster. 4 years is common, but it's not the goal. Just move at your own pace, and I promise you'll be okay. So that's gonna wrap up all the time I have today for what I wish I knew before attending McNeese. Stay tuned for more parts, and until next time, go Pokes.